Bravo versus Alpha. Fill na lang yung kulang. Team A, Jasper, Bell, Ayi, Cole, Law, and Dana. Team B, Mark, si Mark with the K, Mark, Humphrey, JR, Chen, Ryan, and Christian. Officials, Team B, Team Vince, Mark, Mai, Vincent, Kat, Yoshi, and Sha. Wala, isa pa lang. Sila pa lang. Team D, Team Delta, Mark, Mai, sino si Mai? Mai, hello, first time with us. Welcome. Mai, Vincent, Kat, welcome. First time with them. Kayo yung officials for the first game. So, referee, scorer, and two lines left. Si Sean. Okay, Team A. Team A, dito po ang Team A, right court. Jasper, Bell, Ayi, Cole, Law, and